Yesterday, they had this blocked off again. I come flying through here and they had that sign on this side. But someone's moved it again already. Wish they'd just come through and fix it. But 5,600 miles almost. 5,600 miles on my way to 10,000 miles on this Philodo H8 all-wheel drive. I just met this guy with a dump truck. He had to go across this bridge. Boy, that's kind of sketchy. This bridge is 18 tons, and I'm sure he weighed more than 18 tons. Yeah, the bridge is still here, though. Wow. I'm a blue shirt. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.